How to use your affiliate account. Hello dear affiliate. In this video tutorial, I'll give you an overview of the affiliate system and its main features. First, we're going to the home page, and then we're going to log in with our username and password. If you need to sign up for the affiliate program or you have problems logging in, you might want to check the video on the description about how to sign up for the affiliate program. After you import your username and password, click on Login, and you will be directed to the affiliate panel. On the left side, you have the number of affiliate sales that you made. Then you have your commissions for this month, the affiliate commissions that you have earned to date, and then you have the number of visitors that you have brought to our page. If you scroll down, you can see the activity for the last 30 days, the traffic that you brought, and the commissions that you've earned. You can also see a breakdown of the traffic that you brought on the traffic log section. Other important menus are the marketing materials that we're going to cover on a separate video, the commissions section where you can view the commissions that you've earned and the commissions for the current month that are waiting to be approved, and you can view the commissions that you've earned on your payment history. If you want to use your affiliate link to share our homepage, on the main panel under Standard Linking Code, simply select the link and you can either right click or press Ctrl+C in order to copy that link. That link will direct any of your visitors to our homepage and will earn you an affiliate commission if a purchase is made. If you have any questions, feel free to write us at affiliate@chess-teacher.com. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.